Hello everybody, welcome to Before the Bell in 3D. Today it's January 30, 2023 and it's Monday, so the markets will be opening. We're going to spend a few minutes to go over some of the key markets to understand what's happening out there and where are the risks, where are the opportunities, and all of the above. Of course, I am highlighting in the bottom part of the screen our financial disclaimer. Please read it carefully as the session progresses. And I didn't say, but my name is Jose Blasco. If you need to contact me either after the session or even during the session, you can certainly shoot an email to me. Also, be aware of our content in a written format. The content I am about to cover right now as a market preparation is also produced in a newsletter format that you could receive in your inbox by simply using the URL that you see on the bottom part of the screen, and it will look like this: Before the Bell week 3, etc., etc. Okay, so we're going to do a 3D approach analysis of the markets. The 5 markets that we're going to analyze are going to be the S&P, crude oil, gold, the US dollar, and the bakkt Bitcoin. Then we will move into looking at one market at a time, and we're going to start with the S&P, and we're going to look at the 3 dimensions, which is the market climate, which is the UFO zones. UFO stands for on-field orders, if you're not familiar with that term. And finally, the expected moves, which has to do with volatility, to be more precise. This is extracted from implied volatility from options, which is obviously extremely relevant as a piece of data. So let's begin with the S&P. With the S&P, as you saw in the news flash, we are in an up climate. This climate has been running for 6 candles. Statistics suggest a normal thing to happen would be 8.46. So we should see the S&P moving higher just a bit more. We have a green UFO right here where price happens to be entering as we speak. So certainly those on-field orders will kick in the market. And of course, if on the other side, many sell orders are added, so then the market may fall. But if everything was to behave as per statistics, the expectation will be for the S&P to go higher and potentially reach the next UFO located at 42.58. So again, one more time for you to know how to use the newsletter. So you got your 39.54, which is the sell zone, and you got your 40.47, which is your buy zone on the S&P. Speed of movement expected to be at 47 points a day, either up or down, 104 points a week, either up or down, 217 points a month, either up or down. And the next market that we're going to explore is crude oil. So this type of market analysis is straight to the point. So we're not wasting too much time here, just highlighting the data which is important, and therefore I'm moving quick from market to market. So we have crude oil, which is the next market I'm going to load. Here we go. Crude oil is here. And we can see how today we have changed climate from blue to red. Now, pay attention to this. This is a non-confirmed climate. So it's red, but it's a thin dot, which means it's non-confirmed. And in that sense, it could be that the climate would change, especially given the fact that we got 2 green UFOs there. It would not be surprising to see the price of crude oil to go back higher towards 84.06, which is the next UFO. Again, coming back to the newsletter, 84.06 is the next UFO to sell. 79.16, which is where we are now, is the next UFO to buy. And speed of movement expected to be at a rate of 1.95 points a day, either up or down, 4.28 points a week, either up or down, 8.92 points a month, either up or down. Next market is gold. Okay, and same thing. I'm just gonna switch symbol on TradingView. By the way, all the trading technologies that we use, you have them available on our website. Just in case you need some references, you can look at our social media as well. I'm just highlighting that on the screen so you have it. So with gold, we are talking about an up climate. Okay, it's confirmed. Definitely this up climate has surpassed anything expected based on probabilities. Probabilities were suggesting a duration of the climate of 5.84 candles on the way up. It's been running for 22 candles, so this is one of those crazy outlier moves, and beautiful to see, but careful there. We're approaching a UFO at 1962.7, where the buy UFO is located at 1890.9. So again, going back to the newsletter, let me do this right. Here we go. So going back to the newsletter, we can see the up climate is highlighted for you. Sell on field orders 1962.7, buy on field orders 1890.9, and expected speed of movement 18.66 points a day, either up or down, 41 points a week, either up or down, 85 plus points a month, either up or down. We got two markets to go, my friends. The US dollar is the next one in line. Extremely relevant market, as we all know, isn't it? And we can see here that we are dealing with a down climate. Now, again, talking about statistics, same thing happened compared to gold. That's why gold is behaving this way, by the way. So this climate has been lasting for 16 candles, where statistics would have suggested 5.37 is a normal thing to happen. So it went way beyond what's normal. Again, it's another outlier move. But again, just like gold has on-field orders to buy and sell above and below, same with the dollar at 102.77, at 167.5. These are the locations where the on-field orders to buy and sell are in this down climate, with an expected speed of movement of 0.55 points a day, 1.21 points a week, 2.53 points a month, either up or down. Last market for us to analyze is the bakkt Bitcoin. So I'll go back to the charts and load this symbol. So when looking at the bakkt Bitcoin, we can see that we have a set of green UFOs located at 29.77, a set of sell on field orders located at 29 plus, and the climate is up. Okay, now this is a fresh market, it's fairly new, so statistics are not displayed because they would have little relevance. But we've been running for 18 candles in a row, and to be honest, anything could happen. We're in the middle of nowhere right now. But also talking about anything could happen, we could easily see Bitcoin to rally all the way to 29. There's nothing to stop it, or just drop to 20,000, and that may be a valid buying opportunity depending on your business plan, trading plan, etc. Okay, again, this is not financial advice as disclosed in the disclaimer below. So up climate, sell on field orders 29,432, buy on field orders 29,77. Speed of movement expected to be at a rate of, let's call it 900 points a day, 1,900 plus per week, either up or down, 4,000 plus per month, either up or down. Now, for the ones of you that are meeting us for the first time, you may wonder a bit more about us. Again, I welcome you to check our website and everything else. But in a nutshell, everything we do is supported by these three pillars: the apps, the courses, and the coaching. So we provide you with intelligent trading technologies that help you to trade efficiently. Of course, even if our apps are the best in the world, if we don't train you on how to use them, obviously you may not even do well with them. So that's why we have courses. And also the courses, while they are very important, but the only thing they bring into the equation is knowledge, where the reality is that, killing it in the market is beyond knowledge. It's about developing a skill, managing your trading emotions, etc., etc. So that's why we also do coaching. You can look at all of these more in depth in our website. And finally, we have the economic calendar. This is going to be a little bit of a spicy week, especially I'm thinking of Wednesday and Friday. Wednesday, we have a Fed announcement. So this is, in recent times, it's been extremely hot. It's always kind of hot, but definitely in the recent year or so, even more. And on Friday, we have the unemployment number being reported as every first Friday of the month. And that makes this week to be spicy. Of course, we also have other announcements in other regions like Europe, the UK, etc. But again, compared to the two announcements I just mentioned, they should be on the boring side, if you know what I mean. So finally, again, talking about knowledge, developing yourself, etc., building confidence. So we've produced a beautiful book. It's called Mystery to Mastery series. It teaches you how to trade Forex. This is applicable to all asset classes, because even if you trade stocks or options or futures, in the end it's priced in a currency. So you can certainly benefit from the book. And also the book gives you access to 3 months of auto UFOs for free, which helps you to get the learning, get the tools, practice for 3 months, and see if trading is for you or not. The book is on sale at $388 if you buy it on ebook format, or $1888 if you prefer the paperback version of the book. With all of this said, it's been my pleasure to be your guide today, looking into understanding what's happening in the markets out there. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. You guys take care, trade well, trade safe, and see you soon. Bye-bye.